everyone, this is Rachel from Rachelsuniquecrafts, and this evening I want to show y'all how to make a beehive. So I'm going to turn you down real quick and let you see what I'm working on. Okay, we have a flower pot, and I have painted it a beige color, and I thought I had my paint. It's just Walmart paint. It's the 2 times color, and you don't have to paint them. I just had already painted it for another project and did not make it. So I have some twine that I got at the Hobby Lobby. I'll try to find some on Amazon and put a link on there in the description. I have not made one like this, but I have made some other beehives. So real quick, we're going to get started. This one I am going to do a little different than what I have done in the past. And I'm just starting with my twine down here at the bottom. And be careful, because if it gets on you, hot glue is hot. I bet that's why they call it hot glue. So I hope everyone has had a good day today. I'm recording this video on Thursday. Looking forward to the weekend. I have videos scheduled out, so not sure what day this will be posted on, but it won't be too many days out. So y'all bear with me, give me some grace. I've ordered a new microphone. I am trying to talk louder, and I feel like I'm screaming right now. I have a microphone that I'm using now, but it just don't seem to work either. So we've ordered a new one. We're going to see how that works. So we're just hot gluing all the way around. Now, for everyone that wants to fast forward and does not want step-by-step instructions, you can either hit that play button that you can go 2 times fast, or you can kind of move your dial over and fast forward through some of this. But I like to give step-by-step instructions because so many requests or comments have been they appreciate me showing step-by-step instructions. So feel free to go ahead and move forward if you need to. If you're on your phone, it's the 3 little dots up at the top right corner, and you just hit that and you can go playback speed, and you can go 2 times and it goes twice as fast. Or you can, if you're on a computer, it's the little toggle emblem or symbol, and you just mash that and it will fast forward you twice as fast if you choose that. Gonna pull out some more twine here. And I will move as quickly as possible. We don't want to drag it out too far, but there's so many people that just they love the entertainment of step-by-step instructions, and some people need that. So there have been times when I've wanted step-by-step instructions also. So I have made beehives in the past. this takes a good bit of hot glue also on the sticks. I have made them out of several different items. Now this flower pot, you can get a flower pot anywhere, Walmart, Dollar Tree, Dollar Store, Family Dollar, Dollar General, anywhere that you so choose. I have used Easter eggs, the big plastic eggs from the Dollar Tree and from Walmart around Easter time. I have also made the bumblebees that go on them. In this video we will not be creating a bumblebee, but maybe I can do another video to show that part. Now this is a little bit of a bigger twine, so it's not going to take too long, and it is getting smaller as we go up. So, but I am trying to press down on it, because twine upon twine will, if you put the hot glue to it, it will adhere really nice. It glues together real good. So just to make sure it's tight, I am gluing it to each other. Now this one, it's twine, so I would think that, you know, you could put it outside if you wanted to. I mean, the flower pot is plastic. Twine holds up pretty good out in the elements. Depending on where you hung it would depend definitely on how long it would last. It would probably last a good time out in the sun, but it would last longer if it was under a covered area. Okay. And we're just going around and around. And like I said, you can fast forward if you'd like. We're over halfway finished, and we're gonna use some felt, and we're gonna make the little black hole where the bees go into the beehive. Real simple. This is just a quick and easy y'all had something in my eye. Quick and easy little fun decor for your porch, patio, inside, if you decorate indoors with the bumblebees. And we are just wrapping the twine around. Another pot down there. Okay. Y'all, I was going to do something with that homespun material there, and I got going and realized I haven't done it. So guess what? We're going to do this video, and we'll come back and do another video of a beehive done with some homespun put into it, make it look more like a primitive. I sat right here and just forgot all about it, and it's sitting right in front of me. Has anybody else done that before? I don't know if you would call that focused on your project or unfocused. Oh goodness. It is Thursday and needs to be Friday. Who else needs a weekend? I am definitely needing a weekend. Sometimes, it's after a weekend, those first 5 days after a weekend are the hardest. Okay, we're almost to the top here. I may have to get yet another stick of hot glue. Like I said, it takes a few sticks of hot glue, and I'm gonna have to make a hot glue run. Get some more. As a crafter, I go through some hot glue. Let me tell you, I should have bought stock in hot glue. Almost to the top here. Trying to make sure that I get it on the flower pot and on the twine as I'm getting closer, more so. We're gonna cut off some of the twine and make a little hanging hoop or hanging loop, a hoop, a loop, a loop. To the very top. See, this is a pretty quick little craft and definitely cute. And you can make the little bumblebees to go on it. I've taken little foam, like foam Easter eggs, the little ones, and made little bumblebees before with the Chanel stems, or you can call them the pipe cleaners. Y'all, just when I want to remember something, that is usually when I draw a blank. Somebody can ask me my phone number and I draw a blank. It's just when you're supposed to remember something. That's usually when I just draw blank and just can't think, knowing that I know my phone number. I did that way in school too. If it was test time, I could know that test, but you get me in front of the teacher and her ask me that same question that I know, and I'm gonna go completely blank. Okay. Now you can, on this part, you can glue it to the very bottom. I want it kind of going up still, so I'm gluing it, and I'm putting a good bit of glue at this point on right here. Excuse me. So we're just going up and up, and at this point I'm just trying to go on the inside of it, each little layer. Kind of go on top of it, but kind of on the inside of it also, and making sure it's covered good with hot glue. And this part is not hard at all. We're just getting a little smaller each time as we're going around. And for all my primitive lovers, my farmhouse lovers, I will come back and do another video with my homespun material incorporated into the beehive. I am so sorry I forgot that. I will have to see if I've got another flower pot or run and go get one. Okay, we're just getting smaller and smaller. I hope I wasn't out of the picture the whole time. I'm gonna have to check that. And your hands just get that glue all over them. Getting smaller now, and I'm fixing to have to cut off because before I get finished I want to put us a little hang loop on there so that it can be hung. So let me just kind of see, we're not going to need too much more. I'm going to cut a little extra. It's all twisted there. And because this is a good size, I'm going to make a good size little loop. So I'm going to put some hot glue all the way around there. And I definitely don't want to touch that, so I'm going to hold it with my scissors here. Putting some pressure on it. I'm going to go on this side. You're wanting to come out. Stop all that. Usually twine is very easy to adhere to. Let me hold that just a second. I put my scissors down in there and then opened them up a little bit, putting pressure on that. Now I'm going to come around. It's already taken shape to look like a beehive, isn't it? Alright, I'm going to cut this at an angle. so. And that way, because it's three ply, it's 3 strands there. And so if you glue it down, because it's kind of, starts coming apart there at the end, just on that tip, then you can put the glue to it in between and wrap these around. Just like so. See, I'm just putting a little hot glue and just kind of rubbing it all in. Get it going down at an angle. That way you just don't have just like a cut off squared in. Kind of goes down in there. Okay. Now, how simple was that? Now, I just took a little piece of felt. You can get this Walmart, anywhere like that. Hobby Lobby, Dollar Tree, I think even has some felt now. And I just cut a circle. I did not have a pattern. I just cut a circle. And so, just gonna put it right there, no certain place, just wherever you think looks like where the hole would be. Be careful not to burn yourself. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to take this twine and I'm just gonna go. Now some people paint their holes, and that's fine too. I find that just a little piece of felt works good. Okay, so we're just gonna put a little piece of glue there. Start going around. I was going to get up and get some more hot glue. I got some right here. Pull this up again. I've got another beehive right there that I've put together with the the plastic eggs that Dollar Tree and Walmart sold for Easter. I bought them from both places. Let's see how that's looking. Now, let's see. I'm going to take it. Trim that down. I've got all three of those little braided strands, different lengths, so they'll just fade into there. Just like so. Okay, when the glue dries, I'll peel off the extra little strands. But how cute is that? Now I think I'm going to go around this bottom one time because of that little edge. This flower pot had an edge that came out on it. And so I don't want that edge showing. So I'm going to go around the bottom here. Now, if you wanted to hang this up high where, you know, somebody would be looking up under it, I would probably get the big eggs, like at Easter time. I know Hobby Lobby had some really big eggs. And cover those if I was going to hang them up so high that somebody would see under them. Which I guess it's not going to matter, but they would be cuter. And we will try to make a bumblebee on another video so y'all can see. And I'll try to find some of this twine on Amazon and put a link so if you're trying to look for some. I know if you can't get out and Hobby Lobby, you have to order $50 worth to get free shipping, and sometimes you just don't want to order $50 worth, especially if you're just wanting a, you know, $10 order or $20 order. And Amazon can have it in a couple of days where other stores sometimes takes a week and sometimes 2 weeks. Okay, so there's our beehive. Now, this is the beehive that is made out of the Easter eggs. You know, they were flat on the back, and they came in 2 pieces. So I just stuck them together and put a little hot glue on there, and I started at the bottom and went all the way to the top. I made me a little hang rope on the back. This is the bumblebee that I made out of the little foam Easter eggs. I just covered it in pipe cleaners. I told y'all my mind just goes blank. But the pipe cleaners or Chanel stems, whatever you want to call them. That's a piece of felt that I put the twine going around just like I did on this one. And just added some little flowers. And you can hang it. Now this one, because of the little bumblebee, I probably wouldn't put it outside unless it was under a covered porch or something. But I just think they're precious. Now I have these listed in my Etsy shop. They do take a good bit more time than the bigger ones because of how tiny the jute is. So they do take, you know, a good bit of time to make them, but and to hand make the little bumblebee. But I have an idea that we can make this bumblebee, or we can make a different kind of bumblebee. So I'll try to get a video together for that too. But let me know if y'all are going to make one of these. I think they're cute, and I'll come back and do another video And I'll add some embellishments to this of some kind. We'll do maybe a bumblebee on this one when I come back and show y'all how to do a primitive beehive. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. Let me know if you're gonna make one to hang out in your outdoor decor, your patio, front porch, back porch, where you would put one. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would invite you to. In most of my videos, there is links to products that if I used them and I get them from Amazon, usually I have a link. So I'll bring you up here. There I am. Y'all, I'm going to try to get my other camera hooked up so that I'll have two videos or cameras so that I can see y'all, y'all can see me, or I can't see y'all, but y'all can see me and see the project. So I appreciate y'all being here. I'm holding my microphone, it's about to fall. Here's our beehive. And here's the one made out of a little egg. So you see, you could embellish this one. And I'll tell you something else. If you just wanted to cover it in twine and not put this right here, let me tell you what it looks like. It looks like a bell. You could put a little hang tag. See, I don't have one. Here's one. You could put a little hang tag on it and say, just work. Freedom, land of the free. Make it look like a bell. You could put red, white, and blue little bow on it. It'd be so pretty. So that's another idea. So anyway, I hope y'all have a great evening, and I appreciate y'all watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like crafts, and hit that bell. When you hit the bell, it lets YouTube gives them permission to notify you every time I upload a new video. So I appreciate it. I love you all, and until next time, y'all get to crafting. Make something neat. Make it personal. Make it your own. Make it your own personal design, because beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. And so y'all have a good evening, and I will talk to y'all later. Good night.